staff selection. So what is selection, children? Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable candidates. Okay, so selection is the process of carefully screening of all the available candidates. जितने कैंडिडेट्स अवेलेबल हैं उनको स्क्रीनिंग करके जैसे फिर सिलेक्ट किया जाता है और चूज किया जाता है द मोस्ट सुइटेबल कैंडिडेट्स. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिलेक्शन. कमिंग टू द फीचर्स ऑफ सिलेक्शन, number one is it is a process consisting of several interrelated stages. Okay, there are so many stages starting from preliminary interview till final approval and placement. Next is it is a negative process. Why selection is a negative process, children? Because it eliminates the totally unsuitable candidates. That's why it is a negative process. It is always done after recruitment. Recruitment के बाद ही जैसे selection होता है. Okay, its main purpose is to eliminate the unsuitable ones and choose the most suitable candidates. सबसे जो suitable candidates हैं उनको select करना and बाकी को जैसे reject करना और eliminate करना. That is the main purpose. Coming to the selection procedure, steps and selection procedure, there are total 8 steps which we will discuss in detail. So first step is preliminary screening. So what is the use of preliminary screening, children? The main purpose is to check whether the candidate fulfills the minimum qualification or not. जो candidates हैं उनके पास minimum qualification है या नहीं, इसको पहले चेक किया जाता है in the step. It aims to eliminate totally unsuitable candidates. जो totally unsuitable candidates हैं उनको reject करना या तो eliminate करना. That is another objective of preliminary screening. And preliminary screening saves the time of both the employer as well as the candidates. Right? Next, coming to the second step, that is application blank. So what is application blank? Application blank is a form which consists of columns for name, age, qualification, address, okay, experience of the candidate. So this is called application blank. It is a blank form which consists of all these details. If you will be asked what is the significance of application blank or objectives of application blank or importance of application blank, then you can write it provides detailed information and permanent record about the candidate. कैंडिडेट के बारे में जैसे लोगों को डिटेल में जानकारी मिल जाती है and that can be kept as a record for future use. Next, it serves as the basis for asking questions in the interview or framing questions for the interview. इंटरव्यू के लिए क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए जैसे ये एप्लीकेशन ब्लैंक एक बेसिस के हिसाब से इसको दिया जाता है. From that, interviewer set questions. Next, it helps to weed out lacking in education, experience or some other eligibility traits. So, जिनके पास एजुकेशन प्रॉपर एजुकेशन नहीं है, जैसे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, so उनको भी जैसे फिर हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, so this all is about application blank. Next, coming to the next step, that is selection test. So selection test, this is the third step in selection procedure, and after scrutinizing the applications, a list of the candidates is being prepared, those who will be called for the test. Okay, जिनको कि टेस्ट के लिए बुलाया जा रहा है, so उनका एक लिस्ट प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, then they are being called. So tests are helpful in measuring a candidate's suitability for the job. एक कैंडिडेट एक जॉब के लिए कितना सुटेबल है, whether he is capable of doing the work properly or not, that is being judged from selection test. Okay, tests are not fully reliable, but we cannot rely the test fully because we cannot we cannot evaluate the candidates or the qualities from only a single test. Okay, tests are helpful in measuring candidate suitability. कैंडिडेट सुटेबल है कि नहीं है उसको मेजर करने के लिए very much helpful. Okay, it involves more time and money. अगर डिमेरिट देखेंगे then इसमें time and money ज़्यादा लग जाता है, right? So this is all about selection test. Next, coming to the next step, that is selection or final interview. So selection and final interview, it involves face-to-face conversation or face-to-face interaction between the employer and the candidate. Employer and candidate के बीच में face-to-face conversation होता है in case of selection or final interview. What is the objective of the student? To cross-check the information obtained in application blank. Application blank में हम लोगों को जो भी information candidate की तरफ से मिला है उसको हम लोग क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं, वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं whether the information are correct or not. Then to give an accurate picture of the job of the company, ठीक है, and the company के बारे में and job के बारे में एक accurate information डाटा दिया जा सकता है to the candidates while interview face to face conversation is taking place. Coming to its demerits, it is a time consuming and expensive process like a selection test. Next, it can test only the personality of the candidate. एक candidate का सिर्फ personality को ही हम लोग टेस्ट कर सकते हैं through this selection or final interview and not his skills for the job. Okay, so job के लिए उसके जो भी skills हैं उसको हम लोग पूरी तरह से जैसे जांच नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is all about the first step. We will discuss the next steps in our next class.